Hi friends, I am Tilak, you're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we are going to see how to change the border color on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. So we just quickly move on to the video. So how to change the border color on your Microsoft Excel web on the computer or PC is just going to show in this video. So first of all, click on the home section first. We will have a closer look to change what the changes. So here first we just draw the borders. So here you're just going to draw a border gird. So okay, let's draw something like this and some border gird like this. Okay, so we just can easily change the color. Click on this and you will see option called border color. For an example, I just need a purple color. Click on this. So this will change the color. If you are drawing, it will change. And I just going to change another color like orange. Okay, so let's draw in orange. We can see it's changing the color, and the same process can be repeated to select the color. You will have this option called more colors. So here you can just select the colors from the color wheel like this. You and click OK. Now you can just draw the same color, and as you wish, you can also pick the colors from the eyedrop menu. Click on the eyedrop option, so you can just pick the color and you can just draw the color like this. So this is how you just change the color of the border on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will be in our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.